Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and with all the electronic devices that we use today, I think that it's just a good idea to have some kind of backup power source to charge all those things up. That's just one of the many uses that I found for this Pion Power E600 unit. I have had several things plugged into it all at the same time, and it could handle it no problem. Currently, where I live, we are getting into summer and we actually have a fire ban on. So if my husband and I go camping or want to spend any time on the beach, fires are a no-go. With this E600, I was able to easily boil water in my travel kettle. So that means that we won't need to have a fire in order to get hot water on our camping trips. I was really impressed to see too that when I was using it to boil water with my kettle, that it only went down a few percent. So it seems to be really energy efficient. Where we live, it is not uncommon for us to experience power outages. So I am so happy to have this little power station so that we can keep our phones charged up. And it also runs our little portable fridge so we can keep our food nice and cool even if we don't have power. I find it to be a really manageable size and weight, and it also has a really sturdy handle on the top so we can easily transport it wherever we need it. Having this power station has added so much more convenience and peace of mind to my outdoor and my everyday life. But that's just my point of view.